All right, here's one of our systems. We're going through a thaw right now. So I just wanted to so that's all just from the snow melting. That half-horse Liberty just turned on. Okay, so what happened here, all these neighboring properties shed their water right here on this lot. And then landscape was installed, which resulted in a damming effect so that the water couldn't naturally run like it was designed to decades ago. Now that's the cone, we call it the cone, the AKA cone, 4x4, SDR to corrugated. And then we use one of those compression seals so that dirt, because if you don't put a compression seal here, you just cut a hole, what happens, dirt will slowly fall into the sump. It doesn't hurt the sump pump because it's going to be able to take that dirt and inject it no problem. But then you end up with this erosion and it gets hollow next to your outdoor sump pump basin. So that's why those rubber seals are so important. You see that we put them in for everything. So this is a big 24-inch diameter, 5 foot deep. This is a vertical. And still, there's just so much water running here. I mean, this is endless. This is non-stop. What you see here is non-stop. This is one of our more active systems. And I just thought I'd get out here to show you guys. You guys love seeing our systems in action. Now, we have the main going from corner to corner of this yard, and then like a fish bone we have some branches off the main. And look at how good it works. Look at all the water it's grabbing, and it's not raining, it's just the snow is melting. That is it. This is all snow melt. Don't underestimate snow melt. Now the homeowner, I recommended putting one of those hollow mock rocks, fake rocks. For now he just put a bag over the electric outlet. It does have a protective cover and everything, but I love that extra wall of defense when you're dealing with your drainage of any kind. You want the drainage system working properly, you need power to it. See how clean that is? Because there's no dirt in the system anymore. Once the stone got washed during the first rain or two, those sediments will go right through the big inlets of high octane. I know you guys would love for me to sit here all day long, right? Just watching water run. You guys are drainage nerds. I think you're worse than me. All right, man. Well, I'll keep showing you guys proof. You guys want results. I got results. Thousands and thousands and thousands of systems. All right, guys. Until that next video.